McLaren Automotive is a new company. It's a company that has its genesis in 20 years of sports car manufacture. The F1 followed by the SLR, both very successful cars in their own right. But now this is something quite different. This is a car that captures the passion of McLaren. It's the MP4-12C. It's the first of a whole range of high-performance cars that we'll bring to the market over the forthcoming years. I think it's a great car, full of technology, which is really what this company is all about. It's unique because of its manufacturing technologies, which are absolutely pioneering. Everything for a purpose. The car is styled as a result of its function, but more importantly, in this very aware climate in which we are bringing this car to the market, fantastic CO2 figures. The lowest CO2 figures, we believe, of any car in this segment. And amazingly, the CO2 figure per horsepower that is lower than any car at all in the market. In 1966, when I was somewhat younger, stood in the pit lane, Mexican Grand Prix. There was only one brand there that exists today, Ferrari. And since that time, 78 Formula One teams have come and gone. This car constitutes the foundation for the future of McLaren. Our initial production will be about 1,000 a year, and that will ramp up over the following years. It's a steep and difficult climb to where we want to get to. As with any climb, you have to have the right equipment and you have to have the right training. This is a company that's all about passion. I'm passionate about this project, as are all my colleagues, and we feel that we're well equipped for the climb, but we have every intention of making it and hitting our definition of the summit, which is a successful sports car brand.